So Josh, when I said to clean this horn ring with the navel jelly and steel wool, what'd you hear?
I heard nothing about ever touching the horn ring.
Cool. So it worked out really well for me. This is still dirty.
Remember when he supposedly washed that, what was it?
It's washed, not washed.
What was it he washed?
See the dirt still on it?
Taillight lenses.
Okay, well, how do I get brought into this? I had nothing to do with the horn ring.
I thought you probably cleaned
Well,
it
I gave
too.
you this stuff like a week ago and put in there.
No, this never happened. Like, are you guys senile?
So when I handed you this and said soak it in the Purple Thunder, so I'm crazy.
Mark never asked me to wash the horn ring. He never asked me to wash it once. He didn't give it to me. He didn't throw it at me. He did nothing.
Have I ever showed you this sink before?
Yes.
Did I ever hand you a steering wheel and a center horn for the Roadrunner?
Yeah?
Did I instruct you to stretch plastic over them, put a pole up through the shaft, strap it to your back, and jump off the building to use it as a parachute? No. Did I ask you to walk into a bank and act like you're going to rob it with it?
No, but that's
Did I ask you that? No, okay, that's 4. We're going to 5. We're going to go to 5. If I didn't ask you to do those things with this and the steering wheel,
Right.
what did I give them to you for?
To disassemble them.
No, remember they were off. I said, did I ever hand you a steering wheel and a horn ring?
No.
So you're changing your first answer because my supporting fifth
No,
and final question proves that I wouldn't have handed them to you to rob a bank. I didn't hand them to you to parasail.
You did hand them to me, but you did not instruct me to bring them into the sink, which you showed me.
Great.
But you
I
never...
believe you. I believe you. Okay. I believe you completely. So what we're going to do is we're going to reenact it. Let's just reenact this.
How are you today?
I'm doing awesome. It's good to see you. Will you hold those? All right, it's time for lunch.
I don't understand.
Hey, Darren. Darren,
Hey, buddy.
I got this for you.
Nobody ever told me to
What do you mean?
Man, you're crazy.
Do you want a part to do nothing with?